Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from SaveBy9to5.com and welcome back to my channel. In this channel I share with you guys a lot of free training when it comes to affiliate marketing and as well as doing a lot of product reviews when it comes to new launches of information-based products or software-based products. So if this is something of interest to you, do consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as it will help to reach more potential audience who are actually interested to make money online. Now in this video I'm going to share with you guys a comprehensive review of this new software launch called TweetX. Now, if you're interested to make money online, you will actually notice that there are two main challenges when it comes to this. Now, the two challenges are number one, traffic, and number two, finding the right highly converting offers. So TweetX comes in this aspect very handy because it will actually have 5 done-for-you campaigns whereby they are all high converting offers that's actually promoted by Jono Armstrong himself, who is a 7-figure affiliate marketer. And at the same time, in terms of traffic, TweetX will help you to automate your entire Twitter-based profile, alright, thereby helping you to drive all this traffic to the respective done-for-you campaigns per se. So if this is something of interest to you, do stay on until the end of this video as I'll be showing you the members area of TweetX and at the same time showcasing some of the awesome bonuses that I prepared for you guys should you actually decide to purchase TweetX via the first link in the description box below this video. So once you actually click on the first link, you actually reach my bonus page that looks something like this. So TweetX is going to be officially launched in an hour's time. Alright, so I've done a brief write-up of what exactly TweetX is and the respective price, which we shall talk about it subsequently. Let's move straight into my custom bonuses for you guys. Now, if you decide to purchase TweetX via the first link in the description box below this video, my first bonus for you guys will be how can you actually get massive organic traffic from Facebook. So TweetX allows you to get massive organic traffic from Twitter based, but of course as we know there are various different social media platforms. So there are things like Facebook, my second custom bonus will be on Quora, and the third one will be on Pinterest. So my first 3 bonuses are sharing with you 3 additional sources whereby you can get free massive organic traffic to drive to your respective sales offers. Now coming to my custom bonus number 4, I will share with you how do you actually design high converting squeeze pages. Now there's no point that you actually drive traffic to all these squeeze pages when it's not being optimized, right? So my custom bonus number 4 will share with you how can you actually optimize all these pages per se. Now last but not least, the final bonus are all the vendor bonuses, and these are the 4 available for fast action takers. So the first one will be how do you actually rank your YouTube videos. Second one will be a software base that I believe Jono Armstrong launched last year, which is called Vanquish. The third one will be $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And finally, the final one will be the Fiago Breakout. So these are all the 4 vendor bonuses that the vendor has instructed us to actually inform you guys for fast action takers only. Alright, so as you can see over here, there are a lot of orange color buttons that click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. So when you actually click on all these bonuses, it will bring you to the main sales page of TweetX that looks something like this. Okay, so as you can see here, it's a one-click app that unlocks free traffic from 330 million buyers on the leading social network, which is Twitter based. Alright, you can monetize your done-for-you offers or your own offer, and this actually makes them $250 plus per day with one 60-second setup. It's a very interesting VSL over here, video sales ladder, that I would encourage you guys to watch it because this is where actually Jono does a very simple demo on how actually TweetX helps him to make money on a passive mode. Alright, so as you can see over here, the entire sales page is kind of pretty long here, and I'll leave it to you guys to read it on your own. So if you're interested to actually purchase TweetX eventually, click on any of these buttons within the sales page itself. It will lead you to the main checkout page of TweetX, and from there you can either use your PayPal or credit card to purchase TweetX software. So without further ado, let's go straight diving into the main members area of TweetX. So this is the members area of TweetX. As you can see over here, the first one is the welcome video, followed by to download the Chrome extension of TweetX. Then there's actually all this series of TweetX training, and finally these are all the respective upgrades. Alright, so you can actually access the special bonus over here and as well as the sales page bonus over here. Alright, so all the vendor bonuses are easily available within the members area. Now, of course, you have the main dashboard, support, and lockout function as well. So how exactly does TweetX work? Like what I mentioned is a Chrome extension, so let me open up TweetX here. Alright, oh sorry, not this one. Let me go, yeah, this is the one. Okay, so if you are just going for the front end offer, what happens is you can actually follow about 25% at a time, but if you're actually going for the upgrade, you can actually follow up to 100% at one time. Alright, so this is how it goes. So what happens is you just need to key in a certain search term, such as like, for example, money. So what TweetX will do is they will actually search for all the respective audience within Twitter based that is actually interested in money. Alright, so if you actually search for something like make money online, so of course you will search for people who are interested in make money online. So this is for the follow function. Now of course you can also do tweeting, Twitter post, right? You can reach 25, 50, 100% depending on the particular plan that you subscribe to TweetX for. And finally you can do direct messaging and you can choose how many people that you want to send to over here. Alright, so this is a very simple software, but it allows you to automate the entire traffic from Twitter itself. Alright, then there's also the done for you campaigns. You have the low ticket done for you campaigns here, as well as a high ticket done for you campaigns over here. Okay, so you can actually access the page creator here. So it's very simple. All you need to do is to actually get an affiliate link, input your affiliate link into it, and the entire bonus page will be generated. And at the same time, within all these bonus pages are all the bonuses that Jono he himself has actually given out to his previous buyers. Alright, so we need to say within TweetX, you actually get number 1, automated traffic from Twitter. Number 2, you get done for your campaigns, which comprise of low ticket offers and as well as high ticket offers. Number 3, you get access to all the bonus pages that Jono he himself has actually done it himself. And at the same time, number 4, you get to access all these bonuses that whenever your audience purchase these campaigns, or rather purchase this product via your campaigns, via your affiliate links, they will actually get down to download all these bonuses that Jono has already prepared. Okay, so let's go back again to the bonus page of mine. Okay, let's look into the main write-up of what exactly TweetX is. It's the ultimate turnkey business-in-a-box software for your subscribers that combines free traffic from Twitter together with done-for-you monetization. Now I'll show you guys just now. The 5 offers which are included. So what you need to do is to simply send Twitter traffic in order to make money, plus you have a high-ticket funnel that's proven to convert time and time again. So let's talk about the price points now. The front-end offer of Twitter is just rated at $12.95, and this is definitely within the launch period of the 5 days starting from today, in about exactly an hour's time. All right, so we need to say if you want to lock in this Chrome extension to get all the done for your campaigns, all the bonuses that Jono is offering to his own particular customers, that you can also use the same bonus to offer to your customers to entice them to purchase via your affiliate link. Do consider purchasing TweetX within this launch period of these 5 days. Alright, then as well as doing the front end page, there's also a product bump of close to $8, whereby you get private access to their VIP groups and you get exclusive support and guidance from 3 of the TweetX team. Upsell number 1 is this thing called TweetX Unlimited, retailed at $47 or downsell of $27. Now this upgrade will allow you to supercharge your TweetX extension, Chrome extension, with unlimited features, the ability to run unlimited campaigns and gain massive results. Alright, upsell number 2 is a done for you TweetX at $97 or downsell of $47. So needless to say, everything is done for you over here or for upgrade number 2. Now for upsell number 3 is TweetX reseller bundle 147 or downgrade of $67. Now not only will you get the reseller rights for TweetX, whereby you get 100% commission across the entire funnel. What happens is if you actually purchase this particular upgrade, you will actually get 100% commission on the entire funnel for 2 of Bill, Syrup or Seeds future products. So it's a total of 3 different products per se, guys. Upsell number 4 is this thing called a TweetX 30 days personal coaching and retail at $197 or $97 downsells. So this is where you get a full month worth of personal life coach with the TweetX team to learn everything about making affiliate commissions online. Now this is a once per week session, so all in all there will be 4 sessions within the month. Last upsell is upsell number 5 called Limitless Traffic plus Advanced Traffic at $197 or downsell of $97.50. So over here there's a lot of training involved, such as Facebook ads, Instagram, how can you actually run more traffic to your respective sales offers. Alright, these are all the main key points that I prepared for you guys. Now most importantly, it is actually a risk-free investment on your end because the vendors are actually giving you a 30 days money-back guarantee. So within this 30 days money-back guarantee, within this 30 days upon your purchase, if you realize that you are not getting the desired results that you want from TweetX, it is not of any use to you, which I highly doubt so, what happens is you can actually approach the vendor and request for a full money-back refund. Alright, so this is all the bonuses that I mentioned to you guys just now. The 3, which is basically how to drive massive organic traffic from Facebook, Quora, as well as Pinterest. Alright, so combined with TweetX, all in all, you're going to master the 4 main social media marketing platforms to drive massive organic traffic. Alright, then my custom number 4 will be sharing with you how can you actually design high converting squeeze pages. And finally, these are all the vendor bonuses for fast action takers only. So with that, guys, I shall end my review when it comes to TweetX. So do consider purchasing this particular product because it will help you to drive a lot of massive organic traffic to your sales offers. And as we know, traffic is the #1 lifeblood when it comes to make money online. Alright, so with that, I'll see you guys again in my next video and take care.